JDCap26 here, just doing tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got the paint here for pinching a pearl. We painted it up. And it's tan, black, white, and a sand color, and blue and green. And I'm going to show you it next. And here he is. All done. Okay. I did the coins and this part gold. And he was functional until the rubber band in the back of his back in his pelvis popped. I may be able to get it hooked up in through here again. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna fool with it. I still have to put a seal on this, a seal coat on this. Crab came out okay. So I didn't want to make them pure white for the skeleton, so I just faded on, lightly sprayed on white for the white part of the bones. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe, and give me the thumbs up. And we'll see you in the next video. It could be a model video. It could be something else. And you have a nice day. Thank you for watching.